Welcome back to another video. So I've got a little box turn up. Look at this little envelope. Posh envelope, has to be one from one person, doesn't it? Just your nail addict in a paper gang. Little posh envelopes. Oh, can't get it out. Look, to my itty bitty bestie. So, shall we see what she sent me? Ooh, it's a big box of goodies. Right, so, shall we start with gemmy things? So she sent me some gemmy things. So these are pointy back. These are Swarovskis, guys. Right, I've just had to check because I can't remember what she said. So these little crystal glass ones, these are glass and they're vintage. They are so sparkly. So they're tiny little crystal clear pointy backs, and these are Swarovskis. So this is the back, and this kind of, it's like a rose gold is the front. Look at all the facets on that. So that is gonna sparkle like hell. Look at it. Wow. So yeah, these are vintage. I haven't got any. Wow, I like them a lot. I'm gonna have to put these in their own little special pots. Wow, there's loads in there. Cool. Right, and she's also sent, ooh, look at these. These are like a deep fuchsia colour. Wow, look at these ones. Yeah, they're like a deep, where's my light today? Like a, I wouldn't say they're red, they're like a deep fuchsia kind of burgundy. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. I like them a lot. Right, and she sent me some gummy bears. I actually haven't got any of these. Don't they look like they're edible? But they're absolutely not. They're squishy. They're squishy. They are just like the real thing. Oh, they're so cool. And they're ombre. Don't they look edible? Right, now she's sent me, the lid is very loose. Cosmic Shimmer, amazing colours. So this looks like gold leafy foil stuff. I'm not sure where this is from. It could possibly be from Glitter Planet. Do I dare open it? Wow, look at the colours in there. Wow, there is some amazing colours. This is going to be amazing for autumn. Wow, look at that. Look at the colours on that one piece. Wow. Yeah, there's all sorts in there. They're going to be amazing for autumn. Yeah, there's all sorts of colours in there. That's really unique. I like them. Right, now we've got some glitters from Twinkle Claws. So it looks like she sent me her strands. Jo cannot stand. She's not so bad on mixes with strands in, but when it's just full of strands like this, yeah, she's not keen. Look at the teeny tiny rhombus in there. These would be amazing for bonfire night and autumn. Look at the hollow. Twinkle Claws Phoenix Flame. Twinkle Claws Aerial Sneak Peek. So this has got them hexing with the textured dots. And it's green. Why did you not keep it? It's your favourite colour. Cool. Right. We've got some more strands. I actually like these. I like these a lot. Proper neon. I do like them. I like them a lot. And then we've got these baby pink iridescent ones. They'd be nice just to give a nail a bit of texture. Cool. I love them neon ones. They're really smart. And look at this. This is like, it's like dust. It's amazing stuff. I love this in more colours. Look at it. I think it's the finest glitter you could ever get before it's a chrome powder. That would probably go on a nail just like chrome. Wow, that's amazing stuff. I love that. Super fine like dust. I like that a lot. And then this one's rather cool. I think this is a DIY mix of some sort. It's white, iridescent, but it's full of like bits of angel paper, I think. There's, yeah, like pinky purple, yellowy green. It's quite a cute mix, actually. It is. It's very unique, isn't it? Very unique. I like it. I do like it. Right, we've got a couple of glitters from A&A. Let's just separate these. So we've got fruit salad. Oh my gosh, I love these glitters. These kind of glitters, they're like, yeah, they're just super shiny and vibrant. I love these kind of glitters. Isn't it pretty? And then we've got Fairy's Tutu. So this has got strands in it. Only a small amount though. Silver hex, mostly pink hex. That's a very pretty mix as well. I like that. I love this. I need to use that. That's beautiful. Right, we've got a couple from Glitter Bells. This is unique. So this is called Shadow, and it's like small hex, like a slate grey. But it's got tiny little, it's got a tiny little pattern on it. Can you see? So smooth and soft and thin. I like that. That's really unique. And this is from Glitter Bells as well, Chameleon Chunky. So this is the same size hex, but look at the colour shift in that. That would make amazing dragon scale nails, wouldn't it? That's got dragon scales and snake skin written all over it, that has. Cool, I like it. Right, now we're on to the Glitter Fairy. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Look at these guys. Right, I'll show you the white ones first. I'll show you them together. So these are all Mylar. We've got sapphire, pink opal and quartz. That's the sapphire one. It's got that ultraviolet kind of bluey yellow going through it. Super soft, tiny little Mylar pieces. And then this one, pink opal. So it has got, the camera doesn't pick it up, but this has got pink shift through it amongst other colours, but it's just kind of showing you a greeny blue on camera. But it is got a pink opal look to it. And this is my favourite. This is quartz. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. And then we've also got it in these colours. Rose, and this is holographic. Tiny, tiny, ultra soft Mylar. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Olive. Really, really unique colour, that. I've never seen Mylar like that. So it's like metallic and it's hollow as well. And this one, slate. This is a beautiful, unique colour as well. Aren't they gorgeous? I'll have to put them in pots. They are super pretty. Right, quickly, a couple more bits. So she sent me some chocolate hearts. I don't have any chocolate hearts. I like them. They're slightly holographic. Yeah, they are. I can't see it, but on camera you can see it. Wow, they're pretty. Oh, look at that. And then we've got tiny clear gems, because I go through these like hotcakes. Teeny dotty ones. Thank you. And these are pretty. I'm not a fan of Mylar as it goes, but these are actually very well made. They're super, super thin, and the detail on them is amazing. So I actually like these. But normally I'm not a fan of Mylar. But yeah, these are good ones. They're ultra, ultra thin. They're all the same thickness, and yeah, the detail on them is crazy. They're gorgeous. Oh, we've missed a glitter. What's this one? So this is like a purpley pink fine, and it's got tiny rhombus and strands in it as well. And it's super hollow. That's really pretty, actually. That's a really pretty colour. I like it. Super sparkly. And she's also sent me, I haven't got any of these. I've seen a lot of these dotting about last year. Alien heads. Look at that laser effect. They're so cool. They are so cool. Yeah, I don't have these. Wow, cool. Right, and lastly, she sent me a little mould. So it's got the teeny tiniest little leaves. These are going to be brilliant for autumn. Like, obviously not so much the big ones, but we've got these size, this size. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe, 5, 6 that would fit on the nail. So you would just put a couple of different colour gel polish in them, maybe mix it a little bit for some texture, different colours. You could use gel polish, carving gel, yeah, and just peel it out. Cool, I'm excited to try them actually. I like it. But anyway guys, that is it for today. Thank you Joe, you're a superstar, I love it all. I'm obsessed with this Mylar. Such unique colours. But yeah, I love it all. Thank you. Look at all that sparkliness. Ooh. Yeah, that's it guys. If you're not already subscribed to Jo, I'll leave a channel pinned in my comments. You're really missing out if you don't watch her. She's an absolutely amazing person. She really is. And very talented as well. So head over and give her a little subscribe. If you've got a YouTube channel as well, she'll subscribe straight back to you. But anyway guys, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.